Hi, this is your boy Jeremy. In this episode, we will talk about pipe benders. Pipe benders are broken down into three categories. A manual pipe bender, which supports up to 1-inch pipe. Manual hydraulic pipe bender, which supports up to 4-inch pipe. And electric hydraulic pipe bender, which also supports up to 4-inch pipe. This is a manual hydraulic pipe bender. So let me show you a demo on how it works. It comes with a set of various molds. So for this 2-inch pipe, I'll be using a 2-inch mold. To slot it in, it is very straightforward. Slot in a mold, lock it, and get ready to insert your pipe. So let the pumping begin. It has a dual piston design. So for faster stroke, use this. For higher pressure, use this. So we'll begin with the faster stroke one. Okay, once it's tight, switch over to the stronger one. As you can see, it is quite light to bend the pipe. Okay, it's almost done. Release the pump. Okay, so sometimes the mold gets stuck on the pipe. So here you go. This is the final product of the bent pipe. Don't know whether a manual or electric one suits you? Contact us to find out more.